Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a BMW guys, such as 520, 528 guys, F10 5 Series guys, BMW, and you're trying to figure out how to remove or how to replace your top engine cover, you need to remove it if you work on your engine guys. Stay with us, we'll explain everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here guys, we make 200 to 300 videos at least guys. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can and teach you how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll share all that with you there. So, thank you for watching and let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate guys on a 2013 BMW 528i. This is the top engine cover that we are talking about, so stay with us and we'll show you guys how to remove it now. So as you can see, the only thing missing right here now is the engine air filter box assembly with the holes. Why? Because we'll be putting a new timing chain guys. As you know, this is a very weak spot on that engine and we'll have the whole video from start to finish how to remove and how to replace the timing chain. So now on the back side guys, right here, okay, you need to disconnect these two hoses with a clip remover tool. Two of them are broken, the clips are broken right here, somebody broke them in the past, two are still good. Now right here we have a vacuum guys, vacuum line, okay. Let me show you, this vacuum line right here that you need to grab, okay, right here and slide out. Careful not to break it. Now when you lift it up you're going to have another vacuum line that you have to be extremely careful, grab it gently, up, then slide out. Okay, and right here this is the vacuum line that we need to disconnect guys. Okay, underneath, so push in here now, okay, push in here and disconnect. You can see you have two spots on it that you press in, one on this side, one on this, so squish in, pull it out. Now you can see the cover, you can simply pull it out. On the back side, these two teeth guys, okay, they go, okay, all the way right here. When you install it, it's important to get them in. Another thing guys, on the front, okay, you have two bow clips, one here, one over there, that attach guys, okay, to the front side of the engine over here, okay, and you have a third one, okay, right there, which is actually located all the way to the engine computer. So those are all the clips guys, and that's how you remove it. Careful here with vacuum lines, later you have to connect everything, otherwise your car will not perform right and you may get a code for a vacuum leak, turbo problems, because that's the turbo vacuum boost solenoid guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.